equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather your tools. You will need a multimeter, a soft brush, isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and a screwdriver set. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid any contamination. Start by disconnecting the power source from the device. This is crucial to prevent any electrical hazards. Once disconnected, carefully open the device using the appropriate screwdriver. Keep track of the screws, as they can be easily lost. Next, visually inspect the circuit board for any signs of moisture or corrosion. If you notice any residue, it's time to clean it. Dampen the soft brush with isopropyl alcohol and gently scrub the affected areas. This will help remove any contaminants that could cause further damage. After cleaning, use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the board, ensuring it's free from any debris. Allow the board to dry completely before proceeding. This step is vital. Moisture can lead to short circuits if not properly addressed. Now, let's move on to testing the components. Set your multimeter to the appropriate setting for continuity testing. Check each component on the board, starting with the power supply section. If you find any faulty components, it's best to replace them. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Continue testing the rest of the circuit board, paying close attention to capacitors and resistors. If you encounter any issues, take note of them for further analysis. It's essential to document your findings, as this will assist in the repair process. Once you've completed your checks, reassemble the device carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have all the information you need before proceeding with repairs. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device back in working order. With these steps, you should be able to check a wet circuit board effectively and safely. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.